touch screen working, and we'll turn on the total power. Turn on the total power and start machine, stop machine, and suck paper suck function. And you will turn on the touch screen show like this. The chain is like this. The menu, 菜单 menu, and the function. The function is open the hot melt, and if with hot melt, just make hot melt open and off, and the learning motor, and here is the spray glue, water glue, and here is a cup drop, which is open. This one should open, and this one should open, and here is the oil pump, continue, oil pump, and ultrasonic. Because this one is hot melt, so the ultrasonic is on all of depends customer. Hot melt is low the ultrasonic on, just so the ultrasonic is closed. And normally, you can use a hot melt glue machine like this. The function, you should open. And here is the menu, and angle set 角度设定 and here is the 电磁阀 and 检测角 that angle, and here is the 这个地方是或者是 password number 8. I will show you in English. And here is the manual test. Manual test the work, the function, process work. And here is the thermometer, 参数设定. The speed and also the hot melt, and also the screen lock, hot melt, manual, press, manual. This is to check the servo, hot melt servo, and the hot melt test. Glue test and hot melt spray and then back. 输入界面 开机界面 Okay, we go to English. The starter machine is here the function. Cap top on, blower on, learning motor on, spray glue on, hot melt on, and oil pump continue work is on. This for starter machine. If with hot sonic, hot melt. If low hot melt, hot sonic on. No hot melt, hot sonic on. This machine is hot melt, so hot sonic is no need. See like this, the function. The function should be open like this. Cap top on and blower learning and spray glue, still water glue. This is hot melt glue on, and oil pump continue on. Okay, here's the function. And here's alarm control. Here's alarm control, on off, alarm control, and retain. Alarm reset. And there's a manual. Alarm reset, use the alarm, press alarm reset. Alarm, that's why alarm reset. And the manual. Manual we go to angle setting. Angle setting is like this. Show you the angle, show the information of the angle. If for any problem, show us this angles menu, and we will tell you how to set. And solenoid and valve angle. And if you want to change, you need to enter password. Password is number 8. You see the screen is locked. Screens are locked. So you press, and then you can green. Screens are locked, and then you enter number 8. You see, you cannot change. But you cannot change. If you enter the password number, H, and then you can change. And then you can change. And normally you should lock it. This is one of the information and we can. And here is the job testing. Test the function or the function. Like the ultrasonic, the sensor, hot melt, the water screw, the valve, and so on. And here is the parameter. Here is the parameter. Parameter here is the parameter information and things. And here is the hot melt screen, hot melt. That means every time if you want to start the hot melt, you should press this one. Press the hot melt. Adhesive to let the hot melt out and check the hot melt is ready to work. And then you start the machine. And here is input information, input page information. And here is output information. If machine have problem, you show us the input and output information. And the starting page. And English. And non-control. And non-control is set on temperature alarm, adhesive shortage alarm, and cap drop of alarm, set it work and all. Okay. Here is the machine screen touch screen set and start, stop. Sack paper. Every time you stop the machine, normally working, stop the machine, you should turn off the sack paper and well paper finish and then stop. Of course, urgent stop. Urgent stop is stopped by the end. Here's urgent stop. You are machine fault stop, and also you should turn off this one. Fault stop, you should turn off the sack paper. Turn off the sack paper to avoid the paper keep stacking. And his manual job forward, the manual reversal. Manual job forward and manual reversal. And here is also a control for the manual. Manual job forward and job reversal and urgent stop. And here is the hot melt. Hot melt sensor heater stop. Sensor heater stop now. And then we can stop here. And off. This one is working. The cap is working. Okay, here is the machine's work. And here, this one power on off manual. And here's a manual drop. Manual drop the caps. Manual drop the caps. Okay, and that one also, the cap filter also have the work.